Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to get OpenAI API key. Firstly, visit platform.openai.com. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, sign up. Once logged in, locate your name or profile icon in the top right corner. Click it to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select View API Keys. On the API Keys page, click the button labeled plus to create a new secret key. A model will pop up showing your new API key. Just important that you copy the key immediately. You won't be able to view it again once the model closes, and store it securely. Never share your API key publicly, and you can revoke keys from the same API management page or use different keys for different apps or environments if needed. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Welcome.